Ben's decided he wants to put on Grandma's rubber gloves to do the job properly. Haven't you, Ben? So because he wants nice hands, don't you, Ben? Can we see your face, please, Ben? Let me see you putting your gloves on.
Just like this.
Won't they fit?
No, never. But you can do like this.
He's giving them up. He's just an old scrubber, aren't you, Ben? Ben, what are you?
I'm an old scrubber.